Make Your Own Origami is a project conducted by the alumni organization of the Faculty of Philology. Project is financed by the Japan Foundation in Budapest. The project was supported by the Embassy of Japan in Serbia, which gave origami paper to the organizers. The workshops were instructed by Verica Jovanovic and Srđan Đurđevački, students of the Faculty of Philology. The first workshop was held on November 5 this year at the Multimedia Center of the Faculty of Philology. 2 embassy representatives visited the first workshop and Counselor Mr. Tsuboda Tetsuya addressed the participants before beginning of the workshop. The second workshop was held on 19th of November and workshop was visited by a third secretary Ms. Kawamura Mai, in behalf of the Embassy of Japan in Serbia. Origami exhibition was opened on 26th of November at the Multimedia Center of the Faculty of Philology. Exhibition visitors could see different shapes that were made by the participants during the workshops. Also, there was an origami competition and 5 participants took part in it. The exhibition was closed on December 7th, and results of the competition were announced as well as winners.